Hi, we're back again with part 2 of our video in the nose work and sniffing series. If you watched part 1, you will remember we ended the last video on how we can transfer a fragrance to an item of your choice. This video explains that and how to do that in a little more detail. So let's jump right in. To start, we've increased the size of the containers so they can hold a handkerchief. Yes, in our case the new object is a hanky. We make the girl sniff the scented hanky and then put it in one of the containers. Once done, we give Dinah the sniff command and she's off. As soon as she puts her nose in the right container, she gets her reward. And of course, we repeat the same with Cleo. We have a slight advantage here because the girls look at what the other is doing and pick up stuff much quicker. Step 2 is where we get rid of the containers. For this, we use an extremely high value and smelly treat. It's just easier to start them off with their favorite treat smell. In our case, it's a mutton tripe. We roll it into the hanky. The tripe by itself is so smelly that the girls don't even need to sniff the hanky. Now we put the hanky in the same place as the containers were with 2 socks which don't have the correct smell. And again give the sniff command and off go the girls trying to find the correct tripe smell. This time, if you notice carefully, we call them away from the hanky to get their treat. That's a bit advanced, but you can definitely try it with your babies. Just don't wait too long to give them the treat. The next and pretty much final step is hiding the hanky somewhere in the house and asking them to find it. To start, the girls sniff the hanky to reinforce the smell and then wait while it's being hidden. They kind of know the drill by now, so they're kind of patient about it. Please bear with us while we hide the hanky. Also, for all the humans, we have a game in the video which is spot the white chappals because we left them lying around the house. So, how many times can you spot the white chappals? And like clockwork, once again given the command, they are off. Supremely excited. That also is an important training tip. They will be excited only if you are excited. So always keep the energy high when training. As you can see, it takes time and they definitely need some help, but eventually they get it. For this bit, we recommend you keep the treats handy because they worked so very hard and the reward has to be instantaneous. One more thing, once the girls are done finding the right hanky and the entire training, be sure to take the hanky, open it in front of them and give them the treat from inside the hanky. This will reinforce that the hanky has some goodies in it. That's it for part 2 of our sniffing training. We hope you try this with your babies. Now we have some very cool graphics about follow etc. on our social handles, so we don't need to repeat that. See you guys soon.